Se vogliamo che tutto rimanga com'è, bisogna che tutto cambi. What movie, what book is this quote from? Let's find out with the Donnafugata wines. What if I say Bart Lancaster, Alain Delon, and the beautiful Claudia Cardinale? Does it ring a bell of what movie we're talking about? What if I say Tomasi di Lampedusa or Luchino Visconti? Someone of you is already here with me with The Magical Leopard by Tomasi di Lampedusa is the book. And then there is the movie by Luchino Visconti. Now we are at the beginning of the 60s. And you have to imagine an incredible Italy flowering, coming up, with the economical boom, and this one of the most important movies ever produced. But all I can remember right now is not only the interpretation of those great artists that I just mentioned, but is this, I can see the landscape, the Sicilian landscape, the Contessa Entellina. So what does a winery have to do with a story like the one I just told? Well, it's the fact that Donnafugata means the escaped woman, which is the queen that had to go to Contessa Entellina. And Gabriella and Giacomo Rallo, when they started the company in the 80s, despite having already 160 years of winemaking, they wanted to go for something that was reminding the culture of Sicily, that was reminding the incredible history of Sicily. And through the artist Stefano Vitale, they managed to transfer all that, not only in the name of the winery, but also in the name of the different labels and the colors of those labels. Today, we have José and Antonio Rallo that are actually following the steps of Giacomo and Gabriella, leading this incredible business. Donnafugata has been representing a brand image of quality, not just for Sicily itself, but actually for the rest of Italy. So there's nothing else to do right now but one thing. Get yourself a glass of wine and be ready for a beautiful travel, a beautiful journey in the mighty Sicilian island through Donnafugata. Have you watched our next video yet? Go for it, guys. And for more tips, tricks, and love, follow our social media, subscribe our channel, and we'll catch up with you later.